Pontypridd High School is at the forefront of working with different partners, and with Rhondda and Taff County Borough Council, it aims to develop projects that are sustainable, educational and provide opportunities for community engagement. Recycle Cycle is a pioneering scheme to transform unwanted or damaged bikes into born-again green machines, sold on for a minimal cost. Cycling is a major growth area for people of all ages as a way of improving health, enjoying leisure time, or as a means of transport to school or work. There are a large number of bicycles that are dropped off at recycling areas or fly-tipped in Rhondda and Taff, and the Recycle Cycle scheme provides the opportunity for young people to learn the skills to build, service and maintain bicycles, giving them a new life as well as bringing hours of enjoyment to all the people who reuse them.